The great beauties of the Amazon. Stretching across 9 countries and spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon rainforest is one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth. Known as the lungs of the Earth, it produces about 20% of the world's oxygen and houses an unparalleled array of biodiversity. But beyond its ecological importance, the Amazon is a place of breathtaking beauty and mystery, a sanctuary of life that captivates the imagination. In this video, we will take you on a magical journey through the Amazon, uncovering its majestic landscapes, vibrant wildlife, and rich cultural heritage. We'll delve into the essence of the rainforest, highlighting its role in the global ecosystem while acknowledging the dangers it faces. Through this journey, we hope to inspire wonder and an urgent desire to protect this irreplaceable treasure. The Amazon rainforest geography is a masterpiece of nature. From above, its emerald canopy extends as far as the eye can see, a lush ocean of greenery teeming with life. But this is only the surface. Beneath it lies an intricate and complex world. The Amazon River snakes its way across the rainforest like a life-giving artery. At over 6,500 kilometers long, it is one of the largest rivers in the world and serves as the lifeblood of the forest. Its tributaries form a sprawling network that nourishes the region's flora and fauna. As we move deeper, the forest's diversity of landscapes becomes apparent. Towering Ceiba trees rise hundreds of feet into the sky, while brilliant orchids and bromeliads thrive under their dappled shade. Waterfalls cascade into turquoise pools, and during the flooded season, the forest floor transforms into aquatic corridors alive with movement. The Amazon's beauty is not stagnant. It shifts with the sun's position, from the golden mist of dawn to the iridescent glow of moonlight reflecting on its waterways, creating an ever-changing masterpiece of light and life. No other place on Earth rivals the Amazon in its biodiversity. It is estimated that the rainforest is home to 1 in every 10 known species on the planet. From the skies to the rivers, the Amazon dazzles with its variety of creatures. High above the forest, macaws and toucans paint the skies with their vibrant colors, their melodic calls echoing through the trees. These long-lived birds are vital to the ecosystem, dispersing seeds that will one day grow into towering jungle giants. On the forest floor, predators like jaguars stalk silently, their rosetted coats blending seamlessly with the shadows. Sloths, on the other hand, move leisurely through the trees, their slow movements shielding them from predators. These iconic creatures represent the delicate balance of life in the jungle. The rivers and streams of the Amazon harbor their own unique cast of characters. Pink river dolphins weave gracefully through the water, an almost mythical presence in the region's folklore. Meanwhile, beneath the surface, schools of piranhas navigate the dark currents, playing their role as nature's recyclers. The smaller inhabitants of the rainforest are no less fascinating. Iridescent butterflies flit from flower to flower, while poison dart frogs display their vibrant warning colors on the forest floor. Even the army ants and leafcutter ants exhibit an extraordinary level of social organization, working together to sustain their colonies. The Amazon is also a botanical marvel. With over 40,000 plant species, it is nature's pharmacy, offering everything from natural dyes to powerful medicines. Each plant and animal in the Amazon forms part of a symbiotic relationship, an interconnected web of life that contributes to the whole. While the plants and animals of the Amazon are undeniably remarkable, the people who call it home are equally extraordinary. Indigenous communities have lived in harmony with the rainforest for thousands of years, drawing sustenance from its bounty while safeguarding its resources for future generations. The Amazon is home to over 400 indigenous groups, each with a unique culture and language shaped by the forest. For them, the Amazon is not just a place to live, it is a spiritual entity, a provider, and a sacred space deeply intertwined with their identity. One striking example is the practice of slash-and-burn agriculture, where small, controlled plots are cleared and rotated, allowing the forest to regenerate. Passing down knowledge from one generation to the next, indigenous communities also use medicinal plants to treat illnesses, a practice that has informed modern pharmacology. Beyond their subsistence practices, indigenous people have a rich oral tradition filled with myths and stories. The pink river dolphin, for instance, appears in many legends as a spirit of the water, protecting the balance of the Amazon's waterways. Despite their harmonious relationship with the forest, these communities face increasing pressures from deforestation, mining, and climate change. Yet they remain the rainforest's most vigilant guardians, fighting tirelessly to preserve their home. The Amazon rainforest is as much about sound as it is about sight. Close your eyes and listen. The cacophony of chirping frogs, rustling leaves, and chattering monkeys combines into a timeless symphony of life. At dawn, the forest awakens with the chorus of birds, their songs reverberating through the trees. As the day progresses, insects take over, their hum forming a steady undercurrent to the forest's rhythm. When night falls, a new cast takes the stage. Nocturnal calls, the haunting howl of distant howler monkeys, and the occasional roar of a jaguar punctuate the quiet. Even the rain contributes to this symphony. As it falls, it drums against the canopy, filling the air with a soothing rhythm that is as vital to the rainforest as the creatures that live there. The sounds of the Amazon are a living testament to the vibrancy of this ecosystem, an orchestra conducted by nature itself. The Amazon rainforest is not just a local treasure, it is a critical piece of Earth's life support system. Often referred to as the world's largest carbon sink, the Amazon absorbs vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to stabilize the planet's climate. Its immense water cycle is another marvel. The Amazon generates its own rainfall through a process known as flying rivers, where moisture from the forest is carried by air currents to distant regions, even as far as the Andes Mountains. This cycle underpins much of South America's agriculture and water supply. Its biodiversity extends its influence beyond its borders, supporting pollinators and migratory species. The rainforest's health is intertwined with the stability of ecosystems worldwide, making its preservation a global responsibility. Despite its vitality, the Amazon faces grave threats. Deforestation is perhaps the most visible and pressing challenge. Vast swathes of the rainforest are cleared each year for logging, agriculture, and cattle ranching. This destruction disrupts the delicate balance of the ecosystem, pushing countless species toward extinction and releasing stored carbon into the atmosphere. The effects of climate change compound these issues. Rising temperatures, prolonged droughts, and changing rainfall patterns are altering the Amazon's ability to sustain its biodiversity and regulate the global climate. Such changes also threaten indigenous communities who rely on the land's stability for their way of life. As habitats disappear, the cultural heritage of these people is also endangered, creating a loss that extends beyond the rainforest. The beauty of the Amazon is matched only by its fragility. Yet amidst the challenges, there is hope. Conservation efforts, both local and global, aim to protect the rainforest and restore degraded areas. Programs that involve indigenous communities play a crucial role in this effort. By honoring their knowledge and practices, conservationists can develop sustainable solutions that address ecological and cultural challenges. But protecting the Amazon is not the work of a few. It is a global responsibility. Supporting ethical products, reducing the demand for deforestation-linked goods, and amplifying the voices of conservation organizations are all actions each of us can take. The Amazon rainforest is more than a natural wonder. It is a home, a heritage, and a lifeline for our world. From the majesty of its landscapes to the richness of its biodiversity and the resilience of its people, the Amazon is a place that humbles and inspires. But it is also a fragile treasure, one that needs our collective protection. By celebrating the beauty of the Amazon, we can ignite a sense of wonder that transforms into action. Together, we can ensure that future generations experience the magic of this living masterpiece. As the sun sets over the emerald canopy and the calls of nocturnal creatures fill the air, we leave you with a final hopeful image of the Amazon. A forest still standing tall and alive, waiting for the care it so rightly deserves. Let's stand together to protect it.